a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with another voiceover. So the unit that I will be reviewing today was sent to me by HerGivenHair. Shout out to you, HerGivenHair, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So right here I am showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it also has a pre-attached elastic band, and it is a 13x6 frontal. So the color of this unit is golden ombre, and I think I said in the video that it only comes in this color, but when I went on the site, it looks like it does come in a burnt orangey type of color as well. So just omit that part, okay girl? So right here I am just applying different products to the hair and styling it. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me do that. And if you're interested in any more details, specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. You're on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end.
So I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by HerGivenHair. Shout out to you, HerGivenHair, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am wearing is their Spice Up Your Life wig, and the texture is a curly 3B to 3C texture. Wig type lace front wig, 13x6. Yes, girl, you heard me. It's a 13x6, and you know, the shortage has been real out here in these streets, girl. So HerGivenHair is definitely coming through with the come through when it comes to the lace, honey, because as they just told me, girl, it is fully stocked. Okay, they are fully stocked in the laces. Okay, they got the laces. Okay. So the length that I am wearing is 16 inches, and the cap size is medium, and the color is golden ombre. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a few facts. It says it does have a pre-plucked hairline, as you guys saw or can see. I did not do that. I did not touch this hairline, girl. It is pre-bleached knots, as you guys can see, because you know your girl don't bleach no hairlines, honey. Okay. Your girl does not bleach no knots, honey. Okay, she just doesn't. And Swiss transparent lace. Yes. 100% virgin human hair, and adjustable elastic band. So those are some of the facts and stuff, and I just want to make sure I hit on all the points. Okay, so as a lot of you guys may or may not know, I have been working with HerGivenHair for a minute now, and honey, they come through with the come through. My favorite thing about this particular company is that their units mimic natural hair, like, well, mimics natural African-American hair. So the texture that I am wearing is 3B to 3C, but they also have 4s, 4Bs, 4Cs. I've actually had a 4B and a 4C texture from this company as well. So they do, I feel like they gravitate more towards realistic, natural looking hair for African-Americans, in my opinion. They have some really nice hair, and across the spectrum, they have a lot of units that you can choose from. Now with this particular unit, it is golden ombre. So I think this wig only comes in this color, but they do have other wigs that don't have any color whatsoever, and they're more of a natural color. They do have those as well, but you do have the option to have like a little color in your life, girl, okay? So now, as far as the cap construction, if I'm not mistaken, it does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, with adjustable straps as well as an elastic band. So that's that for the cap construction. And as I stated, the hairline is pre-tweezed and pre-bleached, girl, okay? So that makes it a lot more beginner friendly. Like if you don't know how to do all that stuff, or even if you just don't want to do all that stuff, it comes done for you. As you guys saw, the most you're gonna have to do with this unit is washing it like you wash your hair and putting it on. The rest is done. The rest is done, girl, and it just melts. As you can see, honey, it just melts. You don't know if this my hair or not, honey, okay? You don't know, honey, out here in these streets. Like every time I wear a unit from this company, people just don't know if it's my hair. They usually say, I like your hair. So yeah, now as far as shedding and tangling, the shedding is really, really minimum with this unit. I was looking down because I couldn't remember if I had put any hair in there, but this is the hair that I cut. But the shedding is minimum, but you are going to get some shedding when you're like co-washing it, and they do come with a book. Let me see. Journey Brown been messing with my box, y'all, so let me see if the book is over here. Okay, so their units do come with like a wig instruction book, and it tells you to co-wash the wig when you get it. So that's what I do. I've learned to just always co-wash their units, and it loosens up your curls a little bit. And yeah, from there you can do what you would do to your normal hair, like, or your natural hair. So yeah, that's basically what I always do with their units. So when I'm brushing it out, when I'm putting the conditioner and I'm brushing the hair out, I do receive some shed. That is just like, to me, to be expected with any type of curly or coily unit. So it's nothing to write home about. And it's not tangly, but you may receive some tangling when you detangling the unit when you first get it. And that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, as far as this unit being big head friendly, I do feel like their units are very, very, very big head friendly. But it comes with that pre-attached elastic band. So even if it's too big for you, you can make it work, girl, okay? You can make it work because it does have the adjustable straps as well as a pre-attached elastic band. So you can make it work. But I think they offer small, mediums, and larges. So if they do, honey, it don't even matter. Let me look and see. I don't see it on their site, but if I'm not mistaken, you can definitely get their units in a small, medium, and large. I don't know how that works because I don't know, but I do know you can. If I'm not mistaken, honey, well, I don't want to say I know. I really do think, but don't quote me on it, girl, okay? Because I don't need nobody coming for me later. I do think you can get it in a small, medium, and large. But even if you can't, you do have that elastic band as I stated. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. Obviously, I don't have to give you guys a lint check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. And I will be giving you guys a full 360 later on in the video. So if you're interested in that, a full 360 and my thoughts on this unit, then please continue to watch. I think you already know, especially if you watch me, I am a fan of HerGivenHair. I love their units. I love how natural they look. I love how you cannot tell that this is not my hair. I love that when I go out, Nobody tells me I have a pretty wig. They say, girl, your hair is pretty, honey. You have some pretty hair, honey. I love that about their units. I just love how nice and natural their units are. And I feel like a lot of us are often looking for a unit that mimics our own hair, and it's a little bit more easier, you know, to work with, because we can take this off and it can stay nice and curly versus us having to do our own hair every single day. You can just take this off at night, put it on your wig, your mannequin, and then put it back on in the morning. It's just a little bit more convenient. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just easier to work with. So, or even on days that you have a twist out and you want to leave your twist out in longer, you can throw on this type of wig and it's so natural looking that really they won't know the difference, child, okay? Especially if you get the right color, girl. So I love that about this company. I love that it comes with a wig instruction book. I love the packaging of their units. Honey, me and this company is here, girl. Okay, we are here. So yeah, I love this unit. This may be, I say that every time, but this one may be my favorite because I really love the length of this unit as well as the color. And this type of color is a color that you can wear to, in my opinion, because if you know me, girl, I prefer to wear darker colors when it's cold and lighter colors when it's warm. But this color, this is like, if we're gonna just talk in like color numbers, I would say it's like a 30, like maybe a 2 and a 30 in my opinion. And it just looks good, and I feel like it's the type of color you can wear year round, even if you are like me and you like to wear darker colors in the colder months. I just feel like this blonde is dark enough that you can wear it when it's cold. It just looks good. I love the texture of this unit. It feels good. It's just all around 4 stars, okay? 4 stars from me. I love this unit, honey. Yes. And maybe I'll get to wear it a couple of days because, honey, your girl had got behind on wigs, and luckily this company has been so gracious and bearing with me because I had gotten completely behind, okay? But I love this unit. It's a look, it's a vibe. Like, if you own a HerGivenHair, Cynthia, you said you had one, and girl, you love yours as much as I love mine. If you have it, then you know, girl, okay? Their hair is just nice. It's just that hair. It's that premium hair, okay? Yes. So anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and yeah, we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, I really do love this unit. I think the unit is gorgeous. Like, yes. Okay, honey. Shout out to you, HerGivenHair. Thank you for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience, honey. And we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Misty on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second